Here we have the graph of y equals log x cubed plus 1, and we want to find this shaded area using the trapezium rule with 5 ordinates. Remember the relationship between ordinates and intervals. 5 ordinates means 4 intervals, or 4 trapezia. If we draw a quick sketch of this, we can see the lower limit is 1 and the upper limit is 3. If this is a and b, then h, we know, is given by b minus a over the number of trapezia. So here it's 3 minus 1 over 4, which is 2 over 4, or 0.5. We can then see the trapezia will be in these positions with ordinates at 0.5 intervals. So the function is y is the natural log of x cubed plus 1. We know the x values, or x ordinates. These are 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. If we put x is 1 in here, we get the natural log of 2, which is 0.6931 to 4 decimal places. 1.5 cubed plus 1, then take the log, is 1.4759. 2 cubed plus 1, then take the log, is 2.1972. 2.5 cubed plus 1, take the log, 2.8109, and then 3 cubed plus 1, take the log, and we get 3.3322. We know the area is given by h over 2 times y naught plus twice all of the intermediate y's and then the last y on its own. This is y naught and this is yn for this case. Substituting in, h is 0.5, so we get 0.5 over 2, open bracket, the first y, 0.6931, added to twice, open bracket, we need all of the middle ones, 1.4759, up to the 2.8109, close bracket, and then the final y on its own, 3.3322. This calculates to give 4.248, correct to 3 decimal places. We can give this answer to 3 decimal places since we stored the intermediate calculations to 4 decimal places.